Hello folks, LA Little here, and this is today's short take. 3D printing, cool technology, a lot of movement in these stocks up and down. You know, any new technology, you're going to see that. You're going to see high beta stocks as a result, and that's very true of this sector. So if you're playing this sector, you have to expect that kind of movement, and you have to be very careful about not getting stuck in a stock like SSYS. What do we have here? Well, if we look at it, you have a breakdown. There's a big bar over here, right? Huge volume on that bar. The breakdown is right there. You got two swing point lows. You'd broken, you know, not broken, but you'd pushed lower. You tested this. You bounced up, and then as it came back down, this break right here, right, as it broke down, that was the signal that you needed to get out. You actually had two more bars to get out, a retest, reach in, bounce, and then the bottom drops out of it. And if you're in this now, of course, you're in hot water. If you look at it on the weekly, you actually have that swing point low there. Now you're underneath it, so you got to break multiple time frames, multiple swing points. And if you actually go back in this stock, you know, the breaks were up here, swing point lows, when you look at the weekly, so you would have gotten out a long time ago had you been watching the neoclassical signs. Now, it's not just in this particular stop, because when the sector starts to move, right, all the stocks in that sector typically get hit. Again, you've got another huge warning, multiple swing point lows getting broken here, and as they get broken, right, what does it do? It comes back, it does a retest the very next day. That's your last chance to get out of this thing before it tries to cave in. That's on the daily with 3D. You can see a break here as well. This thing's going lower as well. If you're playing high beta stocks, you have to be ready to get out of them once they turn. And again, just like with SSYS, the breaks were back here. That was the time to get out. It's been downhill ever since, and it looks like it's going farther. 3D stocks, that's today's short take.